Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a bus conductor named Raj. His life was like a song, with its own rhythm and melody. Every day, he conducted the symphony of passengers and destinations with a smile on his face. One rainy morning, as the dark clouds gathered in the sky, Raj prepared for another day of work. He wore his worn-out uniform, adjusted his cap, and headed to the bus station. His bus, an old but reliable one, stood there waiting for the conductor to lead its daily journey. As Raj stepped onto the bus, he was greeted by the familiar smell of diesel and the creaking sounds of the aged vehicle. The passengers, a diverse mix of people from different walks of life, found their seats. Raj moved gracefully through the bus, collecting fares and issuing tickets with a practiced efficiency that spoke of years of experience. "Good morning, sir." "Ticket, please," Raj said with a warm smile to an elderly man. "Morning, Raj. How's the day treating you?" replied the old man, handing over his ticket. "The rain makes it a bit challenging, but we'll get through it." Raj chuckled. As the bus left the station, the rain started to pour, drumming on the roof like a percussion section in the orchestra of life. The journey began, with Raj orchestrating the movement of passengers, tickets, and change like a seasoned conductor directing his musicians. In one corner, a young woman with a guitar case sat lost in thought. Her name was Maya, a struggling musician trying to find her way in the city. Raj noticed her and struck up a conversation. "Good morning, miss. Off to a gig?" he asked, nodding towards the guitar. Maya smiled. "Yes, trying to make a living through my music. It's tough, but I love what I do." Raj nodded understandingly. "Follow your passion, miss. Life's too short to do otherwise." As the bus continued its journey, Raj's interactions with passengers revealed a tapestry of stories. There was a schoolteacher going to her village for the weekend, a young couple traveling for a romantic getaway, and a businessman engrossed in his laptop, oblivious to the world outside. Suddenly, the bus jolted to a stop. A man in his mid-30s, disheveled and seemingly distressed, rushed in. He desperately searched his pockets but couldn't find enough money for a ticket. "I'm sorry, sir, but I can't let you ride without a ticket," Raj said sympathetically. The man pleaded, "My wife is in the hospital, and I need to get there urgently. Please, can you make an exception?" Raj looked at the man's desperate eyes and sighed. "All right, but make sure to pay the fare next time." The man nodded gratefully and found a seat. Raj continued with his duties, knowing that sometimes compassion is more important than rules. As the journey progressed, Raj couldn't help but think about his own life. He had dreams once, dreams of becoming a musician, just like Maya. However, life had different plans for him, and he found himself conducting buses instead of symphonies. During a brief stop, Maya approached Raj, her eyes filled with curiosity. "You seem lost in thought, Raj." "What's your story?" Raj smiled wistfully. "I once dreamt of playing the violin on grand stages. But destiny had other plans. Now, I find joy in conducting this bus and the beautiful stories it carries." Maya was moved by Raj's words. "You're a conductor of life, Raj. Your symphony may not be on a grand stage, but it's touching the hearts of everyone on this bus." The rain outside intensified, creating a rhythmic backdrop to the unfolding drama inside the bus. Raj and Maya shared stories, dreams, and laughter, creating a connection that transcended the roles they played in life. As the bus reached its final destination, the passengers disembarked, each carrying a piece of the shared journey. Maya, inspired by Raj's resilience, handed him a small card with her contact information. "Raj, if you ever want to pursue your dream of music again, give me a call. I'd love to help in any way I can," she said with a genuine smile. Raj thanked her, touched by the unexpected gesture. That night, as he lay in bed, he reflected on the events of the day. The rain had stopped, and the town slept peacefully, unaware of the small but profound stories that had unfolded on the bus that day. In the days that followed, Raj found himself looking at the card Maya had given him. A spark of hope ignited within him, and he decided to take a step towards his forgotten dream. He called Maya, and together they began a new chapter in Raj's life. With Maya's support, Raj started violin lessons and slowly rekindled his passion for music. The town that once knew him as the bus conductor now witnessed the transformation of a man rediscovering his long-lost melody. As the years passed, Raj's story became an inspiration. He performed in local events, spreading the magic of his music. The bus continued its daily journeys, carrying passengers and stories, while Raj's violin played the soundtrack of hope and resilience. And so, in the small town where dreams were often overshadowed by the routine of life, a bus conductor and a musician created a symphony that resonated far beyond the confines of the town. The bus conductor's symphony became a legend, a tale of following dreams and finding beauty in the most unexpected places.